I really like this machine, but it's a very complicated machine. It's an HP Pavilion. We're trying to remove the drive. This is a drive replacement video in which we have a special plastic for removing the back cover from the frame. We also have to remove the stand before we can even remove the back cover. And behind the stand is one screw that we have to unscrew so that we can lift the back cover. This is what we're doing, and when you do this, you have to also lift that two metals which are the stand extension. You can't do it with your hands, so we use the stand to lift it up, and after that we can easily remove the back cover and get access to the board. Getting access to the board, I like this machine because the right side of this machine houses the hard drive and the fan, and the left side houses the processor, the motherboard, the RAM, Siemens, and all this stuff in there. So when you are doing a drive replacement on this machine, you don't need to open the motherboard or go to the motherboard, because static in your hand can shut down the motherboard. It can easily go off. You just need to work on the right side, which is the drive, and then you don't have any problem with it. This is a good machine.